Everybody, it's the mobile home mama standing outside in a windstorm. It feels like 16 by 66. We call this home the Hastings. And before I knew what to call it, I used to call it the Baby How. And I walked in here for a second and I am so excited because there's a lot of new colors in here. All right, here we go. Walking into a wide open living space. We've got the living room here. Wide open kitchen. New color on the floor, by the way. This is Harbor Light. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Got some grays, some whites, some tans. I just love it. Here we are in the kitchen. Cabinets to the ceiling. Yes, we'll take that. Island is included. We've got the sink in the island. Anytime you have the sink in the island, it's going to be included in the floor plan. Does not cost you any extra. Here's a new countertop. We've never seen this one. Called Aluma Marble. Crescent edging rounding off the countertop. And this reminds me, well, I know it is, used to be drama marble, but if you remember, it had all kinds of brown swirls in here. So we just kind of eased off of the brown swirls and made it more of a marble look with a couple of distinctive veins running through with some tan. Let's see what we have on the cabinets. Hardwood cabinets. And this is how you can always tell if it's a hardwood cabinet. You can see the pieces that they fit together. And this is a Timberwolf cabinet. I'm sure the name is supposed to be reminiscent of a wolf's pelt because it's got a grayish tint to it. And I can tell, holy smokes, look at the ceiling. Wow. This thing is lit up. Not right now, but when the lights come on, woo-wee, watch out. There's gonna be lights everywhere. I'm noticing some nice trim. White wrap profile trim here. Got some mini blinds in the window. Here is the hutch. This is an optional feature. Black cabinet handles. Pleated glass, can you hear that? Pleated, beautiful glass. Get another view of this. I love when I walk in a home and it's just nice and simple with the colors and with the options too. Don't get me wrong, I'm a girly girl, so I like to have a little bit of bougie in my stuff too, but it's refreshing to walk into a home and see that they kept it simple. Here's the laundry area. Now I forgot to talk about this, but I was looking for the back door. And it's a window. Kudos to them for putting a window in there. I think that's a great idea. The more windows, the better. But we've got a reverse aisle here, folks. Door, door. Which usually means the home is going into a park. All right, coming down the hallway. What's best about this floor plan, one of the best features, is it's going to have a pantry. That's available in just a few of the single wide floor plans. Here comes the primary bedroom. Yes. Casper cashmere on the wall. Here's our new ceiling fans. They're pretty industrial looking. Let me find the switch to those because it gets really good. So instead of, notice there's no things hanging down, no strings or whatever. It's on the wall here. So you change the ceiling fan, the power here, and then low, medium, high. And then I'm assuming this little circle here is to turn it the other way. I don't know what that little circle is. Maybe I can find out. We're modernizing a little bit at a time. Nobody wants to pull those chains anymore. Here's the primary closet. Yes, couple skirt and shirt racks. That would spruce it right up. The ceiling fan blades are right here and they are black this year to go with all of our black hardware. Yes, window in the bathroom. Yay. Great job. I know some of you guys don't feel the same as I do. I always like a nice breeze going through my bathroom. and some light. Single vanity, 019 cabinet, that's an optional feature. And what do we got over here? Tub shower. All right, let's see what's on the other end. There's a larger version of this same floor plan as well in a 76. So this is the 66 version. Bedroom number 2. Closet number 2. Window in the hallway, yes. Brightens everything up. Bath number 2. And bed number 3. There you have it, folks. We call this the Hastings 16 by 66. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Got lots of new colors, perimeter heat. Lots of new colors in here. We've got Harbor Light on the floor, Aluma Marble on the countertops, and Hardwood Timberwolf on the cabinets. I'm Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama, and people come from all over the country to Topeka, Indiana at Chapping Homes, and I can help you design your dream house. I've got a few tricks up my sleeve, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.